Oh shit. God damn. I was gonna pull off, but this wind is like I feel a truck trying to live. I ain't pulling off shit. Fuck. So much for that. Yeah. I'ma wait probably about an hour or so and see if at least the wind. I don't care about the rain. I'm worrying about the wind. This shit is rocking the truck, bro. Oh damn. And it's coming down even more. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I got a few hours to be to my appointment anyway. So shit, he looking like should I or should I not? I should probably park my truck because I'm getting my ass rocked. I know if I'm getting rocked, you getting rocked, bruh. I already know. Yeah, I'm gonna wait an hour using US Express. You bold, my brother. You be safe. Don't get blown into a jackknife, my friend. Drive safe, my friend. Hey, take your time, man.